Hello and welcome back to my channel, Cards by Melissa Minor. I have my very first cherry box. This is from A Cherry on Top, and this is a quarterly paper crafting subscription. There is so much stuff packed into this box, and I'm going to show you everything, but the box includes these products. You get Pink Fresh Studios Spring Vibes paper pack, the 12 by 12 paper, the title ephemera, the journaling bits, the floral ephemera, the enamel dots, the wood accent stickers, the chipboard frames, the background stamp. You get some sequins, a 4x9 stencil butter, and a palette knife. So here we go. Let's take a look at everything we get. This is the Sunshine Stencil Butter. This is from the Crafters Workshop, and here's a look at the green pear butter. So these are both gorgeous. And then you also get a palette knife with it. So that'll come in handy. I love stencil butter. You can use it with your stencils, obviously, but you can also water it down and use it as watercolor. You can create a background, splatter it onto a page, you know, all kinds of things. So let me get out these stencils. Here's one of the stencils, and these are like watermelon seeds. So these will be fun to work with. There's a lot of things you could do with this, but I definitely see watermelon seeds here. And then this is a 6x6 stencil here from the Crafters Workshop, and this is called Mini Flower Tiles. This is gorgeous. I cannot wait to use some of the stencil butter and put over this. So let's open this up and see what else we get. So the majority of this kit, I love that it's all like themed. So the majority of this kit has the Pink Fresh Studios line. These are actually from Catherine Pooler Designs. These are the Lima sequin mix. These are so pretty. There's like pinks and yellows and reds mixed in here. And then you see these are the enamel dots. So these are pretty, the yellow and the orange and the peach, blues, pinks, everything coordinates together. So I love that. And then here we have I think this is the title ephemera. So all these nice words here that I can use as titles on my scrapbook pages. And then looking at this, let's see, these are the wood accents, and the camera just really isn't picking up how pretty these are. And then here I've got the floral ephemera. Look at all these gorgeous floral arrangements. I can use these on cards or on scrapbook pages. And then here I have some journaling bits. There's a lot of journaling bits in here. Tags and little things that I can like make little envelope pockets, just little different places for journaling. So I like this. Everything coordinates together. I get so much stuff. I'm going to save that for just a moment. And then look at all these like little chipboard. These are chipboard frames. And these are all individual. So these aren't connected here. These are all just little individual chipboard frames. And then this gorgeous stamp. I love this. I have lots of ideas for this stamp here. This is a Catherine Pooler stamp. And so I have lots of ideas that I'm going to be sharing on my channel. And then we have this 12 by 12 paper pack. And this is called Spring Vibes. So the whole collection is called Spring Vibes. So let me, okay. It looks like I'm going to have to, it's double wrapped here. There's nothing getting into this paper. Awesome. Okay, so I have all this open. So let's take a look at the paper. And it is double-sided. So we've got this beautiful blue floral here. And then on the other side, we've got like all these pretty strips. And then looks like some blue here, some blue stripes, and then some green. And then we've got a nice pretty plaid, real springy. And you know what? I'm going to go through these and then I'll flip them over. That'll be easier. Oh, I love it when there's gold. My daughter's high school colors are gold, so I love when there's golden paper. Ooh, gold with hearts. That's pretty. I'll definitely be using that one. Pink stripes. Can't go wrong with pink. I love that. More gold, gold and pink. That's even better. Gold with polka dots. I love that. Ooh, a real pretty pink floral. Green splatter. Ooh, that's different. It looks like it already has the mixed media on it. And then here is a green plaid. Let me flip these over and go on the other side. We've got some floral here. And let me just flip this whole package over. And then all of these words. And then this real pretty polka dots here. And then some floral. And then here's some cut aparts. I like all these sentiments. There's always a reason to smile. I love that. That's really pretty. More pink. Love pink. Here's some more floral. And then all the colors tied in. And then we're back to the beginning. So you get a ton in here. And with this cherry box, like I said, it is a quarterly subscription. If you're interested, I will have a link down below in the description box if you're interested in joining. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because throughout the months of March, April, and May, I will be sharing all kinds of projects that I create with this. I will have a playlist on my channel. So thanks so much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.